Hi guys, let's take a look at the nail routine that changed the game for me. It requires no light lamps, no fake nails, and it'll last you 2 to 3 weeks with minimal chipping. To begin, I'm just showing you how I go about prepping my nails for the polish. I have very uneven nail bed lengths, so I compensate for it by shortening some nails more than the others. Most of my effort is used to ensure both hands have similar lengths. In order to achieve a clean look, I also use this technique to file the sides of my nails. Once both hands are shaped to my liking, I go in with a cuticle remover. I massage that into each nail and let that sit for 30 seconds before going in with a cuticle pusher. If ever I feel the need, which isn't often, I'll go in with a cuticle cutter and remove the excess. This step will depend on your hands. Finally, I add cuticle oil, massage, and let sit for 5 minutes before I wash it off and start with the polish. We've made it to the game-changing step that helps me 1. Apply polish smoothly and evenly, and 2. Minimize the chipping for a couple of weeks. I alternate between 1 coat of color and 1 coat of matte polish. As you see here, since I'm doing a French manicure, I'm starting with the matte polish first. Had it been a solid color, I would have started with a coat of color, then a coat of matte polish. So then I continue with the polish. I take my time with this step. To give you an idea of how much time I do take to paint it, this is sped up at 300% speed. Then I proceed onwards with the strips for the French tips. I paint outwards as opposed to inwards with the tips so that the color doesn't bleed beneath the sticker. After about a minute, I remove the sticker and continue onwards with the remaining nails. Finally, I go in with a clear top coat to seal it off. Also, it's important to note that you should always apply a coat of color on top of the final matte color. Otherwise, it'll have a matte finish, unless of course that's what you're going for. And this is the final result. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any other cool tips and tricks down in the comments below. I'd love to give it a try.